Your sock left a ring around your ankle this morning. It's noon. The dent is still there. That's not water weight. Scrape your knee, and sometimes clear fluid weeps out instead of blood. Same stuff. It has a name most people never learn. It's lymph. Clear, pale yellow, and you're carrying more of it than blood. Yet it has no heart to push it anywhere. Every minute, your blood vessels leak fluid into your tissues. That's normal. But if nothing collects it, you swell. That's the problem lymph solves. Picture the milkman. Lymph drops off oxygen and nutrients at your cells, then picks up bacteria, waste, and dead cells on the way out. When it slows down, you feel it. Puffy hands, heavy legs, getting sick more than you should. Most people blame salt. Do this with me. Press your thumb into your shin. Hard. Count to 5. Now let go and look. If the dent stayed, keep watching. If it bounced back, your system is moving. Either way, the next 3 minutes matter. Your heart pumps blood. Nothing pumps lymph. It moves on 2 things only, your muscles squeezing and your breathing, which means you are the pump. And the system you're pumping is bigger than you'd guess. Let's go inside. It starts here. Tiny, open-ended vessels sitting between your cells. Fluid pushes in through overlapping flaps. Once inside, it can't go back. One-way valves, like a turnstile, forward only. Small vessels merge into larger ones, climbing toward your chest. And along the way, every drop gets inspected. Checkpoints called lymph nodes. Neck, armpits, groin, chest, belly. You have roughly 600 of them. Each one is packed with immune cells waiting for trouble. Bacteria arrives. Cells swarm. The node multiplies its defenders. That's why your neck swells during a sore throat. Those aren't glands failing. That's your army mobilizing. Doctors use this. A node biopsy reveals what's circulating inside you. Infection, inflammation, cancer spread, the nodes hold the evidence. Cleaned fluid keeps climbing until it reaches your collarbone. There, it empties back into your bloodstream. Loop closed. Now here's the part almost nobody knows. The fat you eat doesn't enter your blood first. Your small intestine has lymph vessels called lacteals. They absorb dietary fat and turn lymph milky white. That milky fluid is called chyle, a real thing. Look it up. Comment chyle if that one caught you off guard. The same route explains your last shot in the arm. Larger molecules and vaccine particles get collected by lymph first, then carried to your nodes and released slowly into blood. It also explains the sore lump under your armpit afterward. That node was building your immune response, working exactly right. But when this system slows, the fluid stays put. Tissue swells. Doctors call it edema. Long flights, 8 hours at a desk, standing all shift, tight waistbands and socks that press too hard in one line. Remember your thumb test? That's called pitting edema. A dent that stays means fluid isn't draining fast enough.
One condition deserves real attention: lymphedema. Usually one limb, and swelling that doesn't go down overnight. Common after node removal, radiation treatment, or serious infection. One-sided, persistent, or painful swelling? See a doctor, not YouTube. Now the good news, the fix is mostly free. Your calf muscles are the strongest lymph pump you own. Every single step squeezes those vessels and pushes fluid upward. Sitting long? 20 ankle pumps, under 30 seconds. Second pump? You're breathing. Deep belly breaths, not shallow chest ones. Your diaphragm creates suction that pulls lymph up your chest. 5 slow breaths, a few times daily. That's it. Legs up the wall for 10 minutes, uses gravity. Drink water. Lymph is mostly water and thickens without it. Lymphatic massage works, but pressure must stay feather light, skin level, not muscle level. Get a properly trained therapist. Walk, breathe, elevate, hydrate. No machine required. Tomorrow, check your ankle after your socks come off. Tell me what you find. Like, share, subscribe. See you next video.